sustain it. Dug up by Peñano. Chisayat will set up Michelle Carolino. And she makes it look easy.
Alam mo, even at this point in time, si Michelle Carolino has not really attacked so many hits, ano? Yung hindi naman ganun kadami, and yet, nakuha ng Lasal ng 2 sets. It's either UST is really, really playing badly or nag-step up itong mga other teammates ni Michelle.
So we'll see how it turns out in this set. Pimentel tips it over. Carolino stretches to get it, and one tip after another. Good defensive job by both teams to keep the ball alive. The rally is on side. It goes to Legaspi this time. Dug up by Vida Gutierrez. From the back line, Mary Jean bouncing. And Chisayat will bring her team to 3. UST is still at 1. Third set action. LaSalle has won 14 straight sets this season. Check ball, yes, UST gets it.